Epiphan's AVIO grabbers provide the simplest way to capture video. You won't need to install any drivers or software to start capturing with these. Just plug them in and there's your video. With our newest model, the AVIO SDI, you can capture video and audio from your SDI camera or mixer. Just plug your camera or mixer into the SDI port on one end, use the USB cable to connect the other end to your computer, and now you have pixel-perfect HD video for use in your favorite application. If you want to capture a video source with HDMI, VGA, or DVI connectors, our AVIO HD video grabber is what you'll need. Like the SDI model, there's no configuration involved. Just plug it in, and there's your video. And both of these video grabbers do automatic scaling of your video, so no matter the resolution you're shooting in, AVIO gets it perfect every time. You can expect the quality of audio and video captured from these grabbers to be nothing short of exceptional. We're getting incredible feedback from our customers about the high quality of footage being captured by our AVIO grabbers. And like all Epiphan products, the AVIO line is recognized for its outstanding performance and durability in the field. With all aluminum enclosures and reinforced connectors, our video grabbers are meant to withstand the abuse of daily use and travel. For all the details, visit epiphan.com.